Good afternoon, grade 10. Now, inshallah, we are going to make a revision for this session that is called the moles of compounds that we explained it before. But now, inshallah, we are going to make revision, inshallah, and answer some question about in Maghrib side. It's okay. Thanks, Abdullah Garni and Mazin, for your participation, and happy Ramadan for all. Okay, and I hope that you will enjoy, inshallah, with this session. Okay, let's begin. This is called what?
Section 3, Moles of Compounds. The molar mass of a compound can be calculated from its chemical formula and can be used to convert from mass to moles of that compound.
Yes, it's okay. So molar mass of compound can be calculated, that we said before, from its chemical formula and can be used to convert from mass to moles of the compound. After that, the essential questions that we are going to make a revision for this.
Essential questions. What are the mole relationships shown by a chemical formula? How is the molar mass of a compound calculated? How can the number of moles be converted to the mass of a compound and vice versa? What conversion factors are applied to determine the number of atoms or ions in a known mass of
compound? Okay. After that, the review that representative particles that we studied before is vocab. Okay. So listen.
Chemical formulas and the mole. Chemical formulas indicate the numbers and types of atoms contained in one unit of the compound.
So we explained that chemical formula, the meaning of chemical formula, indicates number and types of atoms. Number and types of atoms contained in one unit of its compound. Okay, can you repeat it again, Gurney?
Chemical formulas indicate the numbers and types of atoms contained in one unit of the compound.
Yeah, good. Mazen?
Chemical formulas indicate the numbers and types of atoms contained in one unit of compound.
Yes.
1 mole of CCl2F2 contains 1 mole of C atoms, 2 moles of Cl atoms, and 2 moles of F atoms.
So this is, as example, 1 mole of Cl2F2. Okay, contains what? 1 mole of carbon, because it's one atom. 2 moles of chlorine, because its symbol is Cl2. And 2 moles of fluorine atoms, because it's a sample also inside this compound F2. So 1 mole of Cl2F2 contains 1 mole of carbon atoms, 2 moles of chlorine atoms, and 2 moles of fluorine atoms. Understand?
Yes.
And this the structure of this compound. After that, this example, can you read, Mazin?
Yes. Aluminum oxide, often called alumina.
Alumina. Yes.
Is the principal raw material for the production of aluminum. Alumina occurs in the minerals corundum and bauxite. Determine the moles of aluminum ions in 1.25 mole of Al2O3.
Yes, okay. Abdullah Gurney, response, analyze the problem.
Okay. Analyze the problem. You are given the number of moles of Al2O3 and must determine the number of moles of Al3 plus ions. Use a conversion factor based on the chemical formula that relates moles of Al3 plus ions to moles of Al2O3. Every mole of Al2O3 contains 2 moles of Al3 plus ions. Thus, the answer should be 2 times the number of moles of Al2O3.
Yes, okay. So to answer this problem, the known is number of moles, 1.25 moles of Al2O3, unknown number of moles in aluminum ion, okay, positive 3. So use the relationship that 1 mole of Al2O3 contains 2 mole of Al positive 3 ions. Okay, after write this, 2 mole divided by 1 mole of. Okay, to convert it, so number of moles times number of ions. Okay, to get number of moles of Al3, which equals what? Number of moles of Al2O3 times number of ions, or 2 mole of ions equal 2.50 mole of AlO3, and this is the rule of now how can we get number of ions by multiplying number of moles times what? Number of moles, okay, times Avogadro's number or this problem. So after that, this is the end of this question, okay? Molar mass of compound, how can we get
The
it?
molar mass of compounds. The molar mass of a compound equals the molar mass of each element, multiplied by the moles of that element in the chemical formula, added together. The molar mass of a compound demonstrates the law of conservation of mass.
After that, this is a conversion mole to mass.
Converting moles of a compound to mass. For elements, the conversion factor is the molar mass of the compound. The procedure is the same for compounds, except that you must first calculate the molar mass of the compound.
This example, also that we studied before, molar mass equals what? And this is a mass. Okay, to get the number of moles, okay, to get multiply the moles, number of moles times mass equal, this is by gram. Okay, so 6 mole, okay, that we said, times 12 is atomic mass of carbon as atom equals 72.06 gram carbon. Okay, so 10 mole times 1 of hydrogen equal 10. This is number of hydrogen. To get mass of carbon, number of moles of carbon as C6 times molar mass of carbon equal 12. Then for hydrogen, molar mass of hydrogen H5 times 2, because it's simple is C3 H5 by 2 S. So 2 times 5 and 2 times 3. So according to hydrogen, 10 moles as 2 times 5 times molar mass of hydrogen, which equals 1, equal 10.08.
Yes.
Okay, so the molar mass of this compound, we must calculate the molar mass of carbon, hydrogen, okay, and so on. So finally equal 114.21 gram per mole of this compound. Understand this?
Understand very well.
Yes.
Very well. As we make a revision for this before. This is number of moles, okay, times molar mass equal this mass of substance. And another problem, okay, at the same sign. An idea, I sent this into this PowerPoint to our electronic library at SPS site, okay? You can make a revision for this PowerPoint in the electronic library, okay? This is a conversion. Electronic library about SPS site. Enter SPS site on electronic library. Yes. Electronic library, yes. Okay? You will search about grade 10 chemistry. You will observe all PowerPoints that we explained before. Okay, all yes. PowerPoints that we explained before from the beginning of the second term till now. Okay, and this conversion factor and this problem only as the same site. So after that, this is
converting the mass of a compound to number of particles. Convert mass to moles of a compound with the inverse of molar mass. Convert moles to particles with Avogadro's number.
Yes.
This figure summarizes the conversions between mass, moles, and particles.
Okay, this figure that contains what summarize the conversion between mass, moles, and particles. And how can we change between mass, moles, and particles. Okay, this problem, how many aluminum ion to get number of ions. And we explained it before.
Yes, easy.
This is a review that we studied.
Review. Essential questions. What are the mole relationships shown by a chemical formula? How is the molar mass of a compound calculated? How can the number of moles be converted to the mass of a compound and vice versa? What conversion factors are applied to determine the number of atoms or ions in a known mass of a compound?
Okay, this is that we studied. To answer question about this lesson. Okay, question number 1. Okay, Abdullah.
What is the mass of 5.0 multiplied 10 power 21 molecules of water?
Okay. What is the mass of, this is number of molecules. This is number of molecules equal 5 times 10 power 21 molecules of water. Okay, first you must get the molar mass of water, as its symbol is H2O. H equal 1 and O equal 16. So you must get the molar mass. How can, what is the mass of these molecules?
Don't have calculator.
I have calculator, okay. Okay, Mazen, do you have any answer?
Wait, I'm making a
Yes. Try to find the calculator, Abdullah, to share with us.
Yes, Mister. It's in the other room.
Yes.
Yes. انتهيت أقوم أجيبها.
The answer is D.
Number D, it's okay. Question number 2, what is the mass of these molecules only? Also by the same method. By the same method.
Mister, I bring the calculator.
It's okay, try to solve it.
أصبر الساعة خربانة.
اصبر صبرت خربانة انت اصلا خربان يا قرني، كلك خربان يا قرني.
الساعة يطلع اف اكس كذا، ما كيف
يطلع اف اكس، ما عليك. ادعي عليك بايه يا قرني، ادعي عليك بايه يا قرني، احنا في رمضان.
كملها يا استاذ كملها.
مازن كيف اخر هذه؟
Molar mass of O2, O equals 16. So molar mass of O2, 16 times 2, 32 gram. So 32 gram. What is the mass of these one molecules?
Wait, Mister, wait.
Wait 10.
1.0 multiply 10 power شاف ما اقدر احطها باور
12.
استهبل انت، ما اقدر.
Number 3, can you imagine how many moles of hydrogen atoms are present in 2 moles of ammonia?
What is the mass of hydrogen? طيب الكربون كم يستاذ؟
C12.
دي C ولا لا؟
Okay.
C or no?
Yes, number 4. What is the molar mass of H2CrO4? Calculate H2 2 times 1.
عندي احسبها من حاسبة الجوال.
Yeah, H2 2 times 1. O4 4 times 16 plus Cr will equal what? Equal what?
ما هي راضية تطلع يا مستر، تجيب لي ايرور.
ليه ليش؟
بس
عندك قول يا غالي.
كيف احسبها مازن؟
It will be sure it will be more than 64, so it will be 118 as 2 times 1 plus O4 16 times 4
2
plus CR 118. It's okay. Number 5, Abdullah, number 5.
ايش لعبت ما عندي حاسب. طيب يلا.
How many atoms? To calculate number of atoms, to calculate what's the rule of number of atoms? Number of atoms equal what?
Number of moles.
Yes, time is
times
Avogadro's number.
Avogadro's number.
Yes, what is the number of moles?
Number of moles.
You must get number of moles first. You must get number. No. You must get number of moles first. How can we get number of moles? What is the rule of number of moles? Equal what?
Number of moles equal
mass of substance.
Mass of the substance. طب خلينا نكمل صار.
Okay, complete. Yes.
Number of moles.
No.
Avogadro's number.
No. Number of moles equal
molar mass.
Yes, molar mass. Yeah, بتاع ده. Number of moles equal mass of substance divided by molar mass. Mass of substance equal what? Equal 60 divided by molar mass of CH3. COH. What is the molar mass? You must calculate molar mass of CH3 COH first. Right after me. C equal what? C plus C. So we have 2 carbon. So 2 times 12 plus 2 times 12 equal 24 plus 4 times 1 as 4 hydrogen atoms. 4 times 1. So 24 plus 4 equal what? 24 plus 4 equal 28. 28 plus O2. So 16 times 2 equal 32. 32 plus 28 equal what?
32 plus 8?
Yeah. 32 plus 28. 28. 32 plus 28.
60.
60. Okay. 60.
Yes.
So you must make number of moles equal mass of substance equal say 60 divided by molar mass that we calculate equal 60 also. So number of moles equal 1. So you get number of moles equal 1. To answer number of atoms equal mass equal number of moles times Avogadro's number. And number of moles equal what? Number of moles equal 1 times Avogadro's number, so it will be A. 6.0 times 10. A, not B, يا وجه البرص.
A.
Number of atoms, number of atoms equal number of moles times Avogadro's number. Number of moles equal 1 times Avogadro's number. 6 times 10 power 23. So it equal B number A, not B. It's okay. Understand it?
بشوف يلا understand easy.
Great. The test 1 over 5.
واحد. واتحدى الأخير إذا طلعت صح. شفت قلت كسار.
Good, Abdullah. Excellent. Excellent, girl. Excellent. Each molecule of acetic acid contains 2 oxygen atoms. The molar mass of acetic acid will be 60, as we calculate it. So 60 grams of acetic acid is 1 mole. There are 2 moles of oxygen atoms present. 2 moles of oxygen atoms present. Multiply 2 moles by Avogadro's number equal what? 2 moles. Acetic acid has molecular mass is this. 2 moles of acetic acid. Okay. Thanks, guys, for your participation, and I hope that you enjoy from the session. Okay, see you soon, inshallah, and goodbye. Happy Ramadan, guys.
Thank you.
Thanks, Mazin. Thanks, Abdullah.